boots? Can you can you dance in your boots? Oh, you're gonna fall over in your boots. Where are your clothes? That's not your clothes. You took them off? Did you get dirty? Jack, go dance in your boots. Good job. Can you do a flip in your boots? Lift your leg. Good job. Stand up. Big finish. Yay. Oh, another flip. No, okay.